Ni yma ar y maes, ni'n teimlo'n regionus yn dinig ar e.
Fi wedi cael text trwyddo, ond sa'n siŵr beth mae'n gweud. I don't speak Welsh. Yeah. Do you speak Welsh?
Aye.
I've had a message off my friend I have, and it's in Welsh, and
Twice already.
do you speak Welsh?
No.
I don't speak Welsh. My friend texts me in Welsh, and I don't understand what it says.
First you'll get tomorrow.
I'm competing tomorrow, yeah.
Beth beirniaeth?
Just spoken to the adjudicator, everything's sorted.
Cyntaf gewch chi fyny. First you'll get tomorrow. But how can you say that you've had first?
They went to Google Translate.
No.
The judge was happy with the check.
Yeah.
He was happy with the check.
So I'm going to get first tomorrow.
I am competing tomorrow, yeah.
This is a scam.
What's your name?
Morgan.
We're not so corrupt as that.
Oh, I am competing tomorrow.
I'm stuck in the portal.
It happened in the national. Don't worry.
Did it happen in the earth?
No. Don't worry. No, good hands, no.
We're stuck on a portal.
And he needs pants and trousers, so he's had an accident. So,
Yeah.
can you find an official from Eisteddfod somewhere? Or? Stuck? Oh, she's South Arlein, isn't she? Eisteddfod?
So he's had a little bit of an accident in the loos by the sound of it.
Shall I text her back for you? She can.
Yeah.
Basically, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Basically.
Oh, God.
I can't see it. Hang on. I'll get my spectacles out.
Oh, thank you.